YouTube. Finna increase their property value real quick, man. Driveway cleaning, front walkway. That porch looking real bad. Look it up. Step looking bad. Thick moss. Stuff all on the sides. Grass. Stuff ain't never been clean. Get this driveway looking right. So the sidewalk right here. Clean all that up right there. That major, y'all. Easy. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I think I'm gonna put the X-Jet on this. Let's get it. Get everything sprayed down. And then I'm finna start, I'm gonna X-Jet. I'm finna apply my mix on here with this X-Jet because that stuff like that right there, them little stains, be hard to come up with like a downstream mix. You gotta go hot with them stains. I'm about to put my turbo nozzle on all this, get my little prep work in on all the spaces my surface cleaner can't get. Then I'm about to start on that them stairs right here with my turbo nozzle. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like in a minute. Let me get some work in, y'all. Let me get started. Let me get it popping. Let me get it popping. I'm about to X-Jet, rinse, X-Jet, apply the chemical to everything, y'all. I'll be right back. I applied my X-Jet application to this. I'm about to go put it back on the truck. While I'm doing all this, my chemical getting dwell time. I'm good. I can put this up real quick. Keep that over there. Set up to start surface cleaning now. I'm about to start on them walkways first, and then I'm gonna start on the driveway from the top to the bottom. Let me get set up and started, and I'll be back. Shout out to BE Equipment, man. Hey, y'all, I'm started on the driveway at the top. Finna work my way down. I done did the front walkway, porch. I done did all of this. Going down through there. I'm about to start on this. I'm about to put my phone on the charger for a minute, y'all. And I'm about to knock this driveway out. I ain't gonna really be able to give y'all no footage like this. I put that X-Jet, I put the chemical down with my X-Jet, so my mix stronger than it usually be, because I usually downstream my mix, but I X-Jetted it today, and it's coming up better. It's coming up better. I love it. Just like a 12-volt system, but it's just portable. You gotta walk around with that bucket. Full of S8, 5 gallon. Get up. Let me show y'all what it look like when I get done. Let me go on and get it popping. And see, I see where it started draining it, so I went on ahead and cleaned that little area right there too. You know, and got it out the way because I know it finna, you know, it finna be dirty right there in a second. But y'all stay tuned, man. I gotta put the phone on the charger. All right, y'all, here we go. Somebody calling me. They gonna have to wait till I get done with this. Just want y'all to see this. It's cleaned up real good. Cleaned up real good. I'm gonna have to come back right here and touch that up real quick. Spray them down. Other than that, we looking good. Steps looking better. Everything looking good. Driveway clean. Appreciate y'all for tapping in. I'm about to get some pictures and I'm out. Got that thing post treated. We out of here. Before I leave, I gotta stamp some mailboxes. Got to. I don't put mines in people's mailboxes. Y'all be seeing people putting flyers inside of people's mailboxes. That is illegal, man. Don't do it. You going to the feds. They said don't put it nowhere on or around it, but an actual person who worked for the post office told me to put it on the mailbox. All right, so don't put that on inside nobody's mailbox, all right?